Picture a tiny ship, Voyager 1, sailing not on water, but through the endless darkness of space. Launched in 1977, its mission was to explore Jupiter and Saturn, sending back breathtaking images and discoveries. But after its planetary tour, Voyager 1 just kept going, further than anything from Earth had ever gone. Today, it's left our solar system, drifting in interstellar space, the vast emptiness between the stars. A machine built by human hands now floats among the stars, our most distant ambassador. Every day, it travels thousands of kilometers farther, carrying the story of Earth into the unknown. For over 40 years, Voyager 1 has sent back precious data, revealing what space is like far from our sun. It measures strange particles and magnetic fields, helping us understand the universe. Its journey is legendary, a testament to human curiosity and the drive to explore. But Voyager 1 is old. Its technology is from the 1970s. Your phone is far more powerful. Its parts are aging, its power fading, and keeping in touch is a constant challenge. Each message we receive is a miracle, a gift from the edge of the solar system. Its battery weakens every year, and the spacecraft grows more fragile. Yet it endures, reminding us that even small things can go on the greatest adventures. Voyager 1 is a silent explorer, a symbol of our desire to reach beyond the horizon. It's our only direct link to the space between the stars. Despite its age, it continues to inspire, showing what's possible with determination. Its long voyage has changed how we see our place in the cosmos. Voyager 1 is more than a machine, it's a legend, a friend sending postcards from the edge of forever. Its resilience is a tribute to the people who built and care for it. As it sails on, it carries our hopes, dreams, and curiosity into the vast unknown. Voyager 1's journey is a story of exploration, endurance, and wonder. In October 2024, Voyager 1 suddenly went silent. NASA sent a command to turn on heaters, but something triggered the spacecraft's safety system. It shut down its main radio, cutting off contact with Earth. Imagine losing touch with a friend billions of kilometers away, with no way to know if they're okay. The Deep Space Network's giant antennas listened for any sign, but heard only silence. The team feared the worst. Was this the end for Voyager 1? The spacecraft is nearly 50 years old, battered by cosmic rays and extreme cold. Everyone knew silence would come one day, but no one was ready for it to happen so suddenly. Despite the loss, NASA's engineers refused to give up. They pored over the last signals, trying to think like a 1970s computer. With no way to know if their commands were received, they worked in the dark, sending messages of hope. Each attempt was a shot in the dark, waiting days for a possible reply. The silence was heavy, but the team's determination never wavered. Voyager 1 had faced challenges before. Maybe it could survive this too. The world watched and waited, hoping for a sign from our distant explorer. The engineers' resolve turned fear into action, determined to reconnect with their old friend. In the vast silence, hope was the only message they could send. With Voyager 1 silent, NASA's Jet Propulsion Lab faced a daunting challenge. They had to diagnose the problem without any feedback from the spacecraft. Using a digital twin, a virtual Voyager, they recreated the sequence of events leading to the blackout. Every command was risky. A mistake could make things worse. The distance made everything harder. A radio signal takes nearly 23 hours to reach Voyager 1, and another 23 to get a reply. Each troubleshooting step took days. As hope faded for the main radio, engineers considered a last resort, the backup transmitter, unused for over 40 years. It was designed for much closer distances, but it was their only hope. The team prepared to listen for the faintest signal, knowing it was a long shot. With time running out, they gambled on this backup system, hoping for a miracle. Sometimes, the only way forward is to try the impossible. Just as hope was fading, the Deep Space Network tuned in to Voyager 1's backup radio. This S-band transmitter hadn't been used since 1981 and wasn't meant for such vast distances. Against all odds, on October 22, 2024, a faint signal emerged from the cosmic noise. It was Voyager 1, alive, calling home with a voice unheard in decades. Relief swept through the control room. Their old friend had survived. The spacecraft's fault protection system had switched to the backup radio, a move no one expected. The engineers who designed Voyager 1 had planned for failure in ways that still paid off half a century later. The backup signal was weak, just enough to say, "I'm okay." It couldn't send science data, but it proved Voyager 1 was still out there, antenna pointed at Earth. The celebration was cautious, the main radio was still silent. The team now had a lifeline, a whisper from the past to guide their next steps. Voyager 1 had once again defied expectations. The journey to full recovery was far from over, but hope had returned. The engineers pressed on, determined to restore their connection. Even a faint signal can light the way in the darkness. Voyager 1 is now about 25 billion kilometers from Earth. So far that light takes nearly 23 hours to reach it. Its technology is ancient. Computers with less memory than a car key fob, data stored on an 8-track tape. It's survived decades of cosmic hazards, glitches, and power loss. Each year, its nuclear battery weakens, forcing NASA to shut down instruments to save energy. Soon, there won't be enough power for science at all. Yet, the spacecraft endures, a symbol of human ingenuity and resilience. Engineers care for it like doctors for a distant elderly patient, solving problems no one imagined. Every day Voyager 1 communicates is a victory, a bonus chapter in humanity's story of exploration. Its journey inspires us, showing what's possible with creativity and determination. Even as its systems fade, its legacy grows. Voyager 1 is proof that our reach can extend far beyond our grasp. Voyager 1's mission is more than science. It's a symbol of humanity's urge to explore. Launched with hope and curiosity, it reminds us we're a species of explorers, always seeking the unknown. The recent blackout and recovery showed resilience. Even when its main voice was lost, Voyager found a way to call home. This story resonates worldwide, teaching us about perseverance and creative problem-solving. Voyager 1 is more than a machine. It's a character in our collective story, a brave robot on an epic adventure. Its journey connects us all, crossing borders and languages. These spacecraft are our eyes and ears in places we cannot go, carrying our dreams into the cosmos. Voyager's story is a reminder of what we can achieve together. It's a messenger, not just of data, but of who we are and what we can become. Even in darkness, it carries a spark of human spirit. Voyager 1 is a symbol of our potential, journeying through the universe. Attached to Voyager 1 is the Golden Record, a time capsule for the cosmos. It holds images, sounds, and music from Earth, meant to introduce us to any alien civilization that might find it. The record includes greetings in 55 languages, music from around the world, and images of life on our planet. Created by a team led by Carl Sagan, it's a message of hope and unity. Even if it's never found, the Golden Record forced us to reflect on what it means to be human. It's a portrait of our world, a mirror held up to ourselves. Long after Voyager falls silent, the record will drift through the galaxy, a lasting testament to our existence. It may one day be the only evidence that we ever lived. As we celebrate Voyager 1's recovery, we must face reality. Its mission is ending. Its nuclear batteries are fading. Soon, there won't be enough power for science. After 2025, Voyager will stop collecting new data, and eventually, even its signal will fade. By 2036, it will be too far and too faint for Earth to hear. The longest conversation in human history will end, and our distant emissary will go silent. But Voyager's journey won't stop. It will drift through the galaxy for millions of years. Its golden record will outlast us, a silent relic of a curious species. Voyager 1 will become our ghost ship, sailing an eternal sea. Its legacy is our legacy, a testament to our desire to reach for the stars. Even in silence, it will carry our story onward. Voyager 1's faint signal is more than a technical triumph, it's a lesson in hope. It shows what we can achieve with ingenuity and perseverance. The little spacecraft continues to inspire, a beacon of possibility. Its journey mirrors our own facing challenges, yet always reaching further. Voyager encourages us to keep exploring, to never lose our sense of wonder. Its legacy is not just data, but inspiration for future generations. As it sails on, it reminds us that even the smallest voice can echo across the cosmos. Voyager 1 is our silent poet in the dark, its journey a lasting poem of humanity.